This is section 6.1, your turn number 1b. The inside changes also cause problems on this one, mostly because I think we've mostly thought about it graphically, and as we've seen, I think thinking about it graphically is a little bit sophisticated. I would like to show you how to do this purely numerically. You don't have to do it this way. It's just another way of thinking that I don't see us doing yet. Now, what do I mean by purely numerically? First off, see that minus x plus 4 is all on the inside. Remember, the inside changes only change the x values. They don't change the y values, so the y values stay exactly the same. Now, the problem that we had to do also had some outside changes, but we did all the outside changes right, so I'm not going to fuss about those for the moment. Now, what's the problem here? The problem is I'm going to put a little blue box right here, right? And what does the first table tell us? It says when the blue box is minus 6, the answer is minus 1. When the blue box is minus 6, the answer is minus 1. So I'm going to take the blue box, minus x plus 4 like that, set it equal to minus 6 and solve. I change the sign, and I get 6. I subtract 4, I get 2, and we get our first answer here. I get 2. Now I'm just going to double check that, by the way. When I take 2 and I plug it in here, I get g of minus 6. And the first table tells me that g of minus 6 is minus 1. All right. We'll do another one, then we'll try to get a pattern. The blue box says that when the blue box is minus 2, the answer is 1. When the blue box is minus 2, the answer is 1. So I'm going to put minus, this is what's in the blue box, is minus 2. Like that. I change the sign. I subtract 4, and I get minus 2 right there. Now I'm going to check that. When I plug minus 2 in here, I add 4, that's 2. G of minus 2 is 1, so that one works. Now, if we had lots and lots of points instead of just 6, doing this one at a time would be a bit of a mess. What I want to do is just say, let's write down a procedure. We have enough, I think, from the first two to see what we're supposed to do to these x values to get these x values. What are we supposed to do? We're supposed to take these x values. In each case, the very first thing we did was change the sign, and then we subtracted 4. And I think that's actually what goes up here. Now, if I try that with minus 6, I get 6 minus 4, that's 2. When I try that with minus 2, I get minus 2. When I try that with 2, I get minus 6. When I try that with 6, I get minus 10. And by the way, we already see a nice pattern. We're just subtracting 4 each time. I'm going to come over here like this. I do want to check my last answer just to see what I think, right? When I take minus 18 and plug it into here, I get minus 14. Then I change the sign, I get g of 14. G of 14 is minus 4. It works, right? So the idea is whatever goes in here, you set equal to these x values and solve one at a time until you see the pattern. Once you get a procedure, you just follow the procedure. If these were evenly spaced, these will also be evenly spaced. All right. By the way, I still don't like this table because my x values go from highest to lowest. So if I was actually going to give my answer to anybody, I would, reorder the table, but it's not wrong.